Code snippets are a great way to speed up writing C# code. With code snippets, you can quickly insert common code structures, massively reducing the amount of typing that is needed. To begin this lesson, open the Advanced Math project from your Sample Files folder. Now add a new class to the project. Adding classes is covered in Session 6 of the Essential Skills course. Name the new class matrix.cs. You're going to use code snippets to populate the new class with useful code. First, you're going to add a new property to the class using a code snippet. Right-click in the empty area between the curly brackets and click Insert Snippet from the shortcut menu. Now double-click Visual C# and a list of all of the possible code snippets is displayed. Microsoft's help files contain a complete list of code snippets and their descriptions, but here are a few of the most useful. Class creates a class, CTOR creates a constructor method, prop creates a property, if creates an if logical construct, else creates an else logical construct, for creates a for loop, while creates a while loop, using creates a using statement, and try creates try and catch statements. You want to create a property, so find prop in the list and double-click it. Alternatively, you can type prop and press enter. The code snippet is inserted and its return value is highlighted, ready for you to change it from the default of int. Type list double and press the tab key. This changes the property's data type to a list collection. List collections are covered in Session 8 of the Essential Skills course in this series. Now the name of the property is highlighted, ready for you to change it. Type numbers, and your new property is complete. Next, you're going to add a constructor method to the class using a code snippet. Constructor methods are covered in Session 6 of the Essential Skills course in this series. Add a new line after your property, then right-click on the new line, click Insert Snippet from the shortcut menu, and open the list of Visual C# snippets. This time, double-click the CTOR snippet. The code for a constructor method is automatically inserted. Now add the following code to the new constructor method. Numbers equals new list double. Finally, you're going to create a for loop using a code snippet. The for loop is covered in Session 8 of the Essential Skills course. Add a new method after your constructor using the following code. Public void add to numbers double value. There isn't a code snippet for ordinary methods, so you have to add this code manually. Now add a new line inside the new method and open the list of code snippets in the same way as you've done previously. This time, choose the For snippet. The for loop is one of the most complicated C# structures to type, so this code snippet is particularly useful. Notice that the first I is highlighted, ready for you to change the name of the iteration variable. Type counter and press Tab. All three instances of the iteration variable name are automatically changed, and length is highlighted. Type numbers.count and add the following code inside the for each loop. Numbers counter plus equals value. Your for loop is now complete. When the addToNumbers method is called, it will add a value to every number in the numbers collection. Close Visual Studio now, saving your changes if prompted. You've now completed Lesson 112. Use code snippets.